Joining us to talk about all of this in a CNBC exclusive is C3.ai CEO Tom Siebel. Tom, it's great to have you back. Welcome.
Good morning, Sarah.
First of all, why did you pre-announce today?
Well, as you can imagine, we're doing a lot of planning for fiscal year 24 and 25, and we're planning for new products, new customers, and increased growth. And so as the word continues to get out in our planning meetings, we wanted to avoid even the possibility of an inadvertent selective disclosure. So we wanted to make sure that this was announced to the market in a manner consistent with regulatory requirements.
Well, you had a lot of good news in there. On track for non-GAAP profitability for your target, revenue higher than you're expected, and it sounds like you're getting a lot of new business, Tom. Can you tell us what's happening there behind the scenes?
Business is good, Sarah. We've been predicting for some years that this market for applying artificial intelligence and predictive analytics to business processes would be quite large, what we call enterprise AI. And now it's very clear that the rest of the world has come around to sharing that vision. And so this issue of applying AI to business processes is now on the tip of the tongue of virtually every CEO and every government manager in the world. So we've invested, almost a couple $1 billion in a technology foundation. We have 42 turnkey products that address the needs of this area. So the market has come our way, and the interest in what we do appears to be increasing quite substantially.
I was looking back, Tom, at your recent visits to our show. Last September, you said the economic downturn is real. Our customers are scrutinizing big deals as never before. This is way before the street got their arms around that idea. Would you argue that process has bottomed out?
I'm not certain if it has bottomed out. I think it's a very good point. I'm not certain if it has bottomed out as it relates to kind of global economics and deals related to inflation, political instability, supply chain problems. But it is very clear that what we're seeing is the interest in AI, generative AI, supervised learning, and unsupervised learning applied to business processes is huge. It's growing, and we are seeing that interest in our business activity levels.
How do you compete with a Microsoft or who else is in generative AI for enterprise? Amazon, Oracle, IBM. They're all working on that. Where do you fit in there?
Well, Google would be a partner, Microsoft would be a partner, and Amazon would be a partner. So these people, Sarah, they're all investing billions of dollars in advancing these large language models. And as these large language models come available, be it Bard or Palm or Plan T5 from Google or ChatGPT from OpenAI, we're able to take advantage of these technology developments in our platform architecture. So all those billions of dollars are being spent. Basically, it advances the capabilities of our solutions.
Tom, got to ask you about this new report from Carisdale Capital. And we've talked before about a prior report, but the new one in April, which caused your stock to lose a quarter of its value, accuses you of serious accounting and disclosure issues. Haven't heard from you since that was released. Can you just comment on what they're alleging?
Well, let it be said. So our audit committee issued a statement on that this morning. So our audit committee has conducted an independent investigation with independent outside counsel and independent auditors and concluded that all of those assertions in that report are just unmitigated bunk. We understand, because it's widely reported in the media, that this organization is under investigation by the Department of Justice for stock price manipulation. And just let it be said that we hope to be able to cooperate with the Department of Justice fully in that investigation. And when the day is done, we hope that justice will be done.